Hello everybody, my name is Jasper from Aurora Middle School, and welcome back to math. No, this is not me impersonating Markiplier. Put on 12. 8 minus -9 put on 12. After that counting session, we have, since the reds are negative numbers and the yellows are positive numbers, we have -9 plus 12. So yeah, that's what that equals up to. And as we can see here, I already made these pairs of zeros, which is where, you just do that to them. So that means that these cancel each other out. Dang it. And our final answer is +3.
Jasper just needed his stacks.
Of debt, you're adding on money. Though we can just add the negative, so
This is Jasper's
we have
economic discussion.
So we have these groups of zeros because we can just straight up get rid of them negatives, and our answer is +12. Eight take away -4. Alright, so after that little counting montage, we can see here, alright, our question is -5 times 2. Now, you see, you might be thinking, hey, that's a negative and a positive. How are you going to multiply that? Well, if they have the same symbol, which they don't, then it would be the same. Like, if it were to be 2 negatives, it would equal a positive. If it were to be 2 positives, equals a positive. But since we have 1 negative and 1 positive, this is going to be negative. So, down here, we have 2 groups of -5. So, the answer, -10. Of 2. 5 groups of 2. So, the answer is -10. Thanks for watching my video. Hope that whoever sees this learned something from it. Have a good day.
Probably won't.